We are at Smith Electric Vehicles in Kansas City, Missouri, and these are 24-foot box trucks that are being outfitted for electric drive. And the bodies and the chassis are made in the Czech Republic. The motors and the batteries from A123 are added here on the floor. Two-person teams follow the vehicles all the way down the line here. This is probably the leading producer of electric trucks in the United States right now. Here's the chassis, and the chassis, as I said, also comes from the Czech Republic. And it's the same one used for the diesel version of this truck. But they're shipped here in containers, sea containers, and they arrive here and they're prepared for the electric drive. And it's all done. They produce right now, it's 2 trucks a day. They have 3 different versions of the truck, which includes step vans, like as used by FedEx and UPS, and these box trucks, which are for urban delivery. Smith is going to be building these trucks in the Bronx. They have a factory that's in a state of production, or is heading for production fairly soon. And it's kind of a novel. How many businesses have started in the Bronx lately? They've gotten state and federal aid for that. But right now they're made here in Kansas City, Missouri, right near the airport, on this production line. And there's probably several hundred of them on the road in the United States. The largest customer, believe it or not, is Frito-Lay, which has a couple hundred of the box trucks. And here are some of the low voltage batteries that they use. They also use, oh, and there's the motor, 140 horsepower, 140 kilowatt motor, I should say. And there's the truck. Very cool, huh? Jim Motivale reporting from Smith Electric in Kansas City, Missouri.